Okay, let me show you how you can use existing data source that are already here to create reports. We will go to create new, and we have a couple of choices here: analysis reports, interactive report, dashboards, data source, etc. So I will choose interactive report, and in a moment we'll be asked which data source should we use. The pop-up will appear in a second. Okay, and I will choose data source FOIA log data source, and I will use this data source to show you that we can create from existing data source many different reports. Based on this data source, we already have created one big report, and that the name of that report is called FOIA log all requests, I think. So this is just drag and drop reminder that we use that. Get started. We will hide tips, and as we can see here. Okay. So to continue, as I mentioned, we have FOIA log data source. The name of the data source is mentioned here, and all available fields that can be used on the reports. I'm not talking about one report, because from this data source we can create multiple reports. And here we can see we have appeal and request fields. And from these fields, I will today use just 5. And I will create a report that I will name it that report, let's say, FOIA log pending requests. This report will have data only for pending requests. And to mention again, this report is using the same data set as the one for all requests. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah. So I will get the request number as a first field. I can double click it and automatically will go on the report. The second field, I will choose official date received. Here it is. I can drag and drop. And oops, it's not where I supposed to put it. My intention was to put it here, but I drop it too quickly. So I will move it to the left. Okay. So there's a multiple options. That's why I'm showing this. The third, from now I will just click and it will add those columns sequentially. I will choose requester name. I will choose exemptions. And I will choose cost for this report. We have 2 pages here. It is shown here. It's no more than 500 rows. This is the limit from Pentaho, because if the query is trying to return many rows, you will experience timeouts. So you can put it here to be 100, 200, or how you feel that is good enough for you. So currently we have 2 pages. We will go to the second page. And we can see that we have appeals here, right? And we don't want that because the name of the report is called FOIA log pending requests, not appeals. Because of that, we have a requester type field that we can use to create a filter based on this field. But we will not create a filter, we'll create a prompt. Prompt is a fancier filter, let's say, because it's give you opportunity to prompt the report to choose on what will filter in the real time. You can interact with it. So I will create a prompt. It's a filter in the background, but Pentaho gives you a possibility to choose. So I will show prompts. You can show it prompts here. And you can see this pencil is for editing. We want multiple things to be selected, so we'll go with list. We will allow multiple selection, and we will choose 3 for displayed values because we want to show all 3 different type of requests. So different type of requests that we have it here are new request, PI request, and appeal. With Shift, we can select these 2 type of request, and that this will exclude appeals in the real time. This is auto submit, and that's when I made change. Always the screen is refreshing and the change is applied. Okay, so now we don't have appeals, but here we have requests that are not pending, that are closed. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna use this field here is pending, and we create prompt from this one as well. And we will choose it. Yes. So now we have correct data in the report that that matches the title of the report. We have now the FOIA log of all pending requests in the system. And what we're going to do now, we're gonna make it more appealing. And how we will make it more appealing? We have 3 tabs here. Well, let's start with this one. Here we can set up the page. In page setup, we can click on the page setup and we can choose orientation. I prefer landscape, so I will choose landscape. You can choose page format. There's so many page formats, and you can play with margins here as well. The other things will leave default. So the report looks like this right now. Also, I can select from the templates different looks. And let's say this is the most beautiful one for us. We will choose that one. What else we can do? We can formatting everything that is here. Costs is on the left side. We want them right. Now they're on the right side, but it's not looking good. So it's showing numeric format, and appropriate format for this is this one. So we'll show that data here is not looking good. I will choose another format that will be more appealing. This is the best one for me. So what I'm trying to show to you is that everything here is can be formatted and edited, and not just only that. You can put filters, prompts. You can sort. So this report is not sorted. We can sort it on official date received. We can do that. And now we have sorted pending requests. As you noticed, we end up with only 1 page after the filters. So we have only those requests here. Okay.